In this short video, what we will be looking at is the Asimov's laws of robotics. So, when we are dealing with robots, there are some scary scenarios where people are thinking, okay, at some point we are going to make robots which are very intelligent and which can think for themselves. So, we need to have precautions to make sure that these robots are not going to harm us. So, thinking on these things, the one of the major people who has contributed much to the robotics and AI, Isaac Asimov, in his book I, Robot, he is mentioning three laws of robotics. Actually, later on there is a zeroth one, but we are not going to look at it right now. So the three laws he is saying is every robot should be following these three rules in this particular order. So the first law, above everything else, a robot has to follow this law. So what is this law? A robot may not injure a human being or through inaction allow a human being to come to harm. So in any case, robot is not supposed to injure a person or allow a person to get injured by not doing anything. So robot has to make sure that people are not getting hurt. Then the second law is a robot must obey orders given to it by human beings except where such orders would conflict with the first law. So every time a robot must follow its master's orders, unless only exception is if the robot's owner tell it, okay, go and kill someone or go and hurt someone, then the robot should not do it, and uh, robot will have the freedom to disobey its master because it will be conflicting with the first law. So this is the second law. That means robot must always follow the commands given by the humans unless that command is going to hurt some other human being. And the last law is robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first and second law. So the third one is, okay, robot should be able to protect itself. So if the robot is going to get into an accident or fall down or something, it has the freedom to choose to protect itself, but it shouldn't break the first and second law. As long as the first and second law is not broken, the robot should be able to decide, okay, even though I am told to even though I should be going this way, it's not good for me, so I am going to choose another way. Those kind of decisions can be taken unless uh, it is not conflicting with the first and second law. So these are the three laws of robotics by Isaac Asimov. So we call this Asimov's laws of robotics.